in that visibly randomized grouping, where it's almost like a shock that these kids are all over the place, one of the instructional coaches says it's important to create a universal win, but don't dumb it down. And she said, for example, here's what we do. In the class, she'll ask the kids, how many times does the number 7 show up between 1 and 100? The great thing about it is that everybody in that room has an access point to that question, and it's not on the tip of anybody's tongue. If you want to extend it, then ask, between 1 and 1,000. Again, everybody has an access point. She's teaching middle school kids. Every middle school kid has an access point between 1 and 100 and can count that out. And yet it's not on the tip of everybody's tongue where someone's like, I got the answer. And it just creates those small wins. That's what people need. Wins, 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 small wins.